Welcome to the exciting world of online entrepreneurship. In this video, we'll take you through the essential steps to start and grow your own online business. Are you ready to turn your dream into a reality? Let's get started. Step 1. Discover your passion and niche. Find what you're truly passionate about and identify a niche that aligns with your interests. Passion fuels persistence. Step 2. Build your online presence. Create a stunning website, establish a strong social media presence, and build a recognizable brand. Step 3. Market research and product selection. Identify your target audience, conduct thorough market research, and carefully select your products or services. Step 4. Content creation and marketing. Engage your audience with high-quality content. Utilize SEO, email marketing, and social media to reach your potential customers. Step 5. Operations and logistics. Efficiently manage your operations, streamline logistics, and ensure top-notch customer service. Step 6. Financial management. Keep a close eye on your finances. Create a budget, track expenses, and plan for growth. Step 7. Monitor, adapt, and grow. Regularly analyze your business performance, adapt to market changes, and celebrate your milestones. Now that you know the steps to building your online business, it's time to take action. Start today, and remember, the journey may be challenging, but the rewards are limitless. Make your dream business a reality. For expert guidance and support, contact us at your contact information. Together, we'll make your online business thrive.